A year ago, I made our sea car skim water, then added wings and a rocket. Could it fly? Hard. I prepped two cars, tried a crude fix, took a plain wing, glued it on the roof. Works. Flying car 1.0. Drags heavy. Wing uncontrollable. Once up, it'll slip away. Cars add downforce. We're adding lift. Let's try. Go. Wow, it works. But still slow. It has lift on the run, but takeoff is slower than no wing. It's uncontrollable in air. Rolling out expected. No tail or controls. Random. Another issue. Cars need downforce to accelerate. This gets lighter as it speeds up. Add movable fins to pin it down. Then yank up for takeoff. To fly. Calculate. First clock RC car top speed. Then design wings for weight. Hit 64 kilometers per hour max. To fly. Lift must exceed the car's weight. Tires provide drive, so keep downforce accelerating. Then tilt the wing to lift off. Add a bracket between car and wing with a hinge. Bottom servo adjusts angle for different lift needs. Added two trailing edge controls. Unsure wing size, so made three wings to swap later. Mech-like controls. Car and wing are separate. Two must sync. Up front. Go full throttle. Lift it. Press down. Then hold once reached. Takeoff works, but it pitches up and loses control after crashes 1, 2, 3. You want it dead. Fourth launch. Flips 180 midair. Slams down. It finally broke. Wing snapped. Heroically sacrificed itself. Later, I found takeoff pitch up. Wings mismounted. Lift forward. Always stalk. It lifted, but pull spiked. Angle of attack. Stalled. Wings toast swap it. Rest fine. Quick release. Switch it. Forward swept wing. Safety first. No problem. Ready for takeoff. Okay. Prep startup now. Wow. Let's do it again. Do it again. Hold stick back to fly level with winged car. Jump from here. Go straight. Pull up. Take off. Land. Go on. Ready, try. These wings work perfectly. Smooth takeoff. Flying higher than me. Now, for the wildest test and rocket boosters, I carefully tuned after nights of research here. Test-fired empty car. Rocket stable, but RC sped. Lost control. Add wings, and it'd fly. Sadly, problems piled up. Ignition failed repeatedly. The booster wasn't fully dry. so it burned unevenly and produced no thrust. Propellant grain we just removed burned only a little, still wet, not dry. After takeoff, the wing snapped again, like that flying bike rerun. The craziest part, the rocket blew up after takeoff. Oh my god, it blew, turned black. Everyone, look here, pushed here, then forward bang, exploded, pierced. Booster flew back over 10 meters. Found it? Come on, pick up the rocket. Rear end blew until unclogged. Nozzles still in. 5 days testing. 3 wing sets trashed. 2 drive shafts snapped. Back. Built 2 rockets. Remade wings. Lights up. It flies. 7th test. 4th rocket run. Before crash. Alright. Ready. Go! A mid-air 360. Not what I expected, but successful. Landed smoothly. I admit luck helped. Do a 360 roll, then navigate normally. Smooth takeoff needs tuning? That's all. Thanks for liking and following. I'm Pudding. See you next time.